This is Auto Insight. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car content every single day. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most talked about electric cars of 2025, the BYD Seagull. This compact EV is shaking up the industry by delivering incredible value, modern features and impressive range, all while keeping the price tag shockingly low. If you're looking for an affordable and efficient electric vehicle, the Seagull might just be what you're after. The 2025 BYD Seagull is a city-friendly hatchback that's been getting global attention thanks to its combination of cutting-edge technology and unbeatable pricing. This EV is part of BYD's Ocean series, and it proves that you don't have to break the bank to drive electric. Starting at under $12,000 USD in China and expected to remain affordable in international markets, the Seagull is aiming straight for first-time EV buyers and those seeking a reliable daily driver. Powering the BYD Seagull is a single electric motor that delivers around 74 horsepower. While that number might seem modest on paper, it's perfectly suited for city driving, offering quick acceleration and nimble handling. The Seagull comes with two battery options, a 30 kWh pack that provides about 190 miles of range, and a larger 38 kWh version that stretches the range up to 250 miles on the Chinese CLTC cycle. This makes it ideal for daily commutes, quick errands, and even moderate highway use. Charging the Seagull is fast and efficient thanks to its support for DC fast charging. You can go from 30% to 80% battery in just about 30 minutes. That kind of turnaround makes it practical for people who don't have time to wait around. Whether you're charging at home overnight or grabbing a quick top-up at a public station, the Seagull is built to be convenient. Inside, the 2025 BYD Seagull continues to impress. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the interior features a clean and modern design. A floating 10.1-inch infotainment screen sits in the center of the dash, rotating between landscape and portrait orientation for added functionality. The Seagull also includes smartphone connectivity, voice control, and over-the-air updates, features that are still rare in this price category. What truly sets the Seagull apart is BYD's use of its in-house blade battery technology, known for its safety and durability. The battery has undergone rigorous testing, including nail penetration and fire resistance, earning it high marks in the EV world. Safety doesn't end there. The Seagull includes standard airbags, a rigid frame, and active safety features like electronic stability control and regenerative braking. The exterior of the BYD Seagull is youthful and sharp, with bold character lines, LED lighting, and a sporty hatchback stance. It looks much more premium than its price suggests, and the color options are bright, fun, and clearly aimed at younger drivers. It's a car with personality, something many economy EVs lack. Overall, the 2025 BYD Seagull is redefining what we expect from an entry-level electric vehicle. It's practical, smart, stylish, and above all, affordable. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or just looking to downsize your carbon footprint, this is one EV that proves going green doesn't mean going broke. Thanks for watching Auto Insight. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews, news, and insights every single day.